This is Neelam, your English trainer from Vibedu. So today I am going to explain suffixes. This is part 3 of videos root, prefixes and suffixes. First of all, we have to understand, and I would like to remind you again, that why are we learning this prefixes and suffixes? Sometimes some words we cannot understand, some words are very new for us and we cannot understand the mood and mode of the sentence and words. That time we just have to break these words, we have to find suffixes, we have to find prefixes, we have to find root word, and then we can understand, we can at least try to understand if word is positive or negative and its verb or adverb or noun. So through that we can come to the conclusion that sentence is having what mood. In part 3 we are going to talk about basic suffixes. We have 10 basic suffixes here. So suffix 1, is showing profession like teacher, engineer. Next suffix is ship. Ship is state of being. We are attached with something. So we can say as an example, relationship. Next is less. Less is reduced amount. So like words powerless, fearless. Next word is able. Able is showing ability or capacity like capable or maybe valuable. Next suffix is et. It is showing quality of something. So again example is quality or maybe curiosity. Next word is ness. Ness is state of being something. Like we can say darkness or maybe consciousness. Next is C. C-Y-C. Again it is showing state of being at particular mindset or maybe at particular place, or maybe like it is showing very particular state of being. So we can say urgency, efficiency, privacy. Next word is ly. L-Y. It is showing in what manner something has been done. Simply, privately, gladly. These were the example. Next suffix is y. This is the most simple and the most used suffix. Y is showing some work is done by particular character or it is characterized by some particular person. So we can say something is very tasty or someone is brainy. These were basic suffixes. If you are able to find these suffixes from any new word, you will be able to understand that particular word easily. So always try to find suffixes, prefixes, try to separate them. You will get your root word and then you can come to the conclusion if this word is positive or negative or relevant to the question or not. Next video I am going to explain some special suffixes, so don't forget to watch it, and please subscribe our channel to be best in GRE and make your vocabulary better and better day by day. Thank you. Bye-bye.